Hello and welcome everyone. This is Zamir Sheikh, Faculty of Chemistry from Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola. In this particular video, I am going to share with you one of the great news in the history and present in the field of chemistry, because the Nobel Prize awarded in the field of chemistry for 2021 to the catalyst phenomena. So Nobel Prize for chemistry, according to the Sir Alfred Nobel's, in 1895, the Nobel Prize is awarded to those who during the preceding year have confirmed the greatest benefit to the humankind. The Nobel Prize in chemistry has been awarded 113 times to 188 Nobel Prize laureate between 1901 and 2021. Means total there are 113 Nobel Prize 113 times Nobel Prize is awarded to 188 Nobel laureate in between the 1901 to 2021. Frederick Sanger is only Nobel laureate who has been awarded the Nobel Prize in the chemistry twice, in the year of 1958 and in the year of 1980. Remaining, that is out of a total 188, 187 Nobel laureates have individual received the Nobel Prize in the field of chemistry. So these two are the great people in the field of chemistry won the Nobel Prize, and their names are: the Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2021 was awarded jointly to Benjamin List and Professor David W.C. Macmillan for the great discovery in the field of asymmetric organocatalysis. So first of all, we must know about the first Nobel laureate, Benjamin List, from Max Planck Institute, Germany. And next, the second Nobel laureate who won the Nobel Prize for the organocatalysis, David W.C. Macmillan from Princeton University of USA. Nobel Prize for Chemistry 2021. So what is the actual use of that phenomena here? An ingenious tool for building the molecules. So molecule building or building of molecule is a very difficult process or difficult art. Benjamin List and David Macmillan are awarded the Nobel Prize in the chemistry in the year of 2021 for their development of precise new tool for the molecular construction with the help of organocatalysis. So as we are the chemistry students or chemistry learners, you know the role of catalyst. So the reactions can be proceed easily in the presence of what catalyst, and same with the help of that organocatalyst, Benjamin List and David Macmillan use the this tool particularly for constructing the molecules now. So this had a great impact on pharmaceutical research and has made chemistry greener. So this is one of the great phenomena. So that's why an ingenious tool for building the molecules. So catalyst, organocatalyst particularly. So you know that catalysts are the fundamental tool for chemists, but the researchers long believed that there were in a principle just two types of catalysts are available, that is metals and enzymes. Benjamin List and David Macmillan are awarded the Nobel Prize in chemistry because in 2000 they, independent of each other, developed a third type of catalyst, and it is called as a asymmetric organocatalysis and built upon a small organic molecule. So this is the great one of the great thing in the chemistry. This concept for catalysis is as simple as it is ingenious, and the fact that many people have wondered why we didn't think of it earlier. Say John Aquist, who is a chair of the Nobel Committee for Chemistry. Organic catalysts have a stable framework of a carbon atom to which more active chemical group can easily attach. So these often contain a common element such as oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur or phosphorus. This means that these catalysts are both environmentally friendly and cheap to produce. So they follow the principle of what green chemistry. That's why they are very useful in the future. An ingenious tool for building molecules. The rapid expansion in the use of organic catalysts is primarily due to their ability to drive asymmetric catalysis. When molecules are being built, situations often occur where two different molecules can form with just like our hands are each other's, and they're just like a mirror image. Chemists will often only want one of these, particularly when producing the pharmaceuticals. So organocatalyst has developed an astounding speed since from 2000. Benjamin List and David McMillan remain leaders in the field because they discovered this phenomena and have shown that organic catalyst can be used to drive multitudes of chemical reactions. Using these reactions, researchers can now more efficiently construct anything from new pharmaceuticals to molecules that can capture light in the solar cells. This is the advantage of this discovery. In this way, organocatalysts are bringing the greatest benefit to the humankind. So this concept for catalysis is as simple as it is ingenious, and the fact is that many people have wondered why we didn't think of it earlier, says John Aquist, who is a chair of Nobel Committee for the chemistry. So Nobel Prize announcement for this year 2021 in chemistry by Professor Goran K. Hansen, Secretary General of the Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences, on the 6th of October. The prize amount for this Nobel Prize is 10 million Swedish kronor to be shared equally between these two laureates. So thank you for watching this video. So for the more details and for more updates in the chemistry, so like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Stay safe and stay connected with chemistry.